as demonstrated in the past and even today, is yet again another occasion where Fiji and its community, particularly on this occasion for the people of Taveuni, to enjoy the services which is so critical for its development. What we have signed today is the contractual agreement that will allow for the Chinese government to fund the construction of a 70 kilowatt capacity to generate electricity through 2 generators, which will be set up. And this is a joint project of the Fiji government and the People's Republic of China. We have co-shared this, but the primary funding of which is provided by People's Republic of China to the tune of 15 million Fijian dollars or 50 million RMB. It'll take about 16 months to complete, depending on, subject to the conditions. And our teams, both on the Chinese side and Fiji government, particularly through the Office of the Prime Minister, will be working together to see the successful completion of this project. And of course, we all know that the Hunan Construction Engineering Corporation has been appointed by the Ministry of Commerce in China as the contractor to construct this China-aided Somosomo hydropower station in Taveuni. This is indeed good news, quite excellent news for the people of Taveuni, and because it will provide to them a sustainable source of power and energy into the future. And small generators very soon would be a thing of the past, in particularly the areas surrounding Somosomo, depending on the growth of this particular hydropower station, that it would then extend to the rest of Taveuni as a community. So there is a lot to look forward to in following this signing that we have today. So once again, as I've said, I on behalf of the people and the government of Fiji, I thank the people and the government of the People's Republic of China for yet again demonstrating such a goodwill on a project that is very, very critical to the people of Fiji, particularly those that live in our community. And then this producing power will make a significant contribution to the development of this society, particularly Taveuni, in all facets of of the society and how they live, in terms of the economic and social benefits provided and through this aid.
This time, it is really a great honor for our company to be awarded this contract by the Chinese government. So we're here in Fiji now. Soon we're going to start the project in the foreseeable future, in a few months, okay, as specified or stipulated in this contract. Just now I learned from His Honorable's speech that this mini hydropower station is very important and critical for the community of Taveuni. So this is going to be a pressure for us, but pressure will be a motivation for us, okay? We're going to turn the pressure into a strong motivation to build the hydropower station in a very good way, okay, to promote the friendship between our two peoples, okay. Meanwhile, we're going to bring a sufficient qualified staff for construction of this mini hydropower station in Taveuni, okay. So simultaneously, we're going to have our people well educated and well informed of the local customs and practice and even the rules and regulations, okay. What we should do is to promote the friendship, not otherwise, okay. So at the same time, we're also looking forward to a good mutual cooperation, okay, between the government of Fiji and our company in the process of the hydropower station construction. We are determined to do a good job and get the project completed within the specified construction period, contract period, which is stipulated in this contract. Okay, our company has good experience in mini hydropower station construction. We are now building several mini hydropower stations, which are a little bit bigger than this one in West Africa, in Sierra Leone. So it's also China aided. Okay, so we have good experience of doing this. Okay, so we believe we are able to bring a complete success to this mini hydropower station in Taveuni. Okay, we're very glad we're able to add something to the tradition of friendship between our two peoples. Okay, this is a great honor for us. We value this so much. Okay, so we should thank you so much again for today. Thanks very much indeed.